Alright guys, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you step by step how you can get started and actually start making money by playing video games. Now, a lot of my viewers probably don't know that I've been playing video games for years, and I got started personally playing Halo for Xbox. And it's something that I love doing, I'm passionate about doing. Unfortunately, it's not something that I would do professionally, even though I've been pretty good when it comes to FPSs. But for some of you guys watching, you may be extremely good and extremely passionate, and you may have asked yourself, how can I do this as a full-time living? So I'm gonna break down in this video here today how you can actually get started and make money as a gamer. Now you wanna make sure that you don't go anywhere, guys, because at the end of this video, I'm gonna be giving you guys 5 tips that's gonna help increase the amount of income that you make while playing video games, and it's gonna help you grow as a streamer and a professional video game player. So there's a few different ways that you can make money by playing video games. One of the most popular that people think about right away is just being a professional video game player and traveling around the world, playing in pro circuits, and actually competing in competitions. Now, you can make some big money by playing in these pro circuits and by winning these tournaments. However, the key word is by winning. So many people compete in these tournaments and actually go to these pro circuits, but don't win. And you're not gonna make any money if you're not in the first 3 spots. So I've went ahead and done the research for you guys, and by looking at some of the top professionals in the industry, like Ninja and like PewDiePie, I've noticed that they're making a majority of their revenue off of merchandise, off of streaming, off of collaborations, and off of patronage and PayPal donations. So what I recommend if you're interested in getting started and starting to make some cash by playing video games, don't focus on the circuits or becoming a pro and traveling around the world. Start with your Twitch channel. Now, something that people don't know about Twitch is Twitch was recently acquired by Amazon for over $1 billion. Twitch is also amongst one of the websites that gets the most amount of traffic in the world. Now, setting up your Twitch account is very simple. You simply go to twitch.tv.com and you can go ahead and sign up for free using your Facebook account or an active email account. Now, if you use your Facebook account, it's gonna be a little bit easier to get set up, but if not, don't worry, you can definitely use your email. You'll just have to verify your email to get started. Now, on average, Twitch pays their streamers $5 for every 1,000 ads that's viewed. Now, that may seem like not a lot of money, but when you're streaming and there's thousands of people coming in and out and watching, this can add up pretty quickly. 4 other ways that you can get paid as a streamer is gonna be by using Amazon referral links to maybe your favorite equipment or your favorite PC or to PlayStation or to your gaming chair, so on and so forth. Number 2 is gonna be sponsorships. The more you start to grow in the streaming industry, there's gonna be different companies who are gonna wanna endorse and sponsor you, meaning they'll literally give you free equipment to use on your stream. That way you can promote their product, and they'll also give you additional free stuff that you can give away to your viewers. Now, you can use this free stuff to go ahead and do giveaways and so on and so forth to create a buzz around your channel. This is gonna help you grow, and your viewers are gonna be more loyal because they're gonna be winning stuff and they're gonna be having a good time, and that's what it's all about. Also, when you stream, you can actually receive PayPal donations. So there's a lot of people that want to support you because they love kicking it with you, they love your stream, and they love what you're doing. Maybe they're getting tips and tricks, maybe you're teaching them things, maybe you're helping them become a better player at that game. So the law of reciprocity kicks in and they want to give you some money to help support your channel. Lastly, guys, is merch. So a lot of streamers make a ton of their revenue through merchandise. So merch comes in all different types of shapes and sizes, from shirts to beanies to hats to backpacks. You name it, you can make it. One of the most popular merchandise sites, and the one that I personally use, is called Teespring. This is free and easy to get set up. You can literally go on Fiverr.com and have a graphic artist design the merch for you, put your logo on there, just like Ninja and all the other guys do. And literally for less than $100, you can have your designs up on Teespring and you can start generating some revenue off of merch. Now, selling merch as a streamer is pretty simple. One of the first things that you want to do is make sure that you're using the merch while you're actually recording. People are going to see your exclusive merch and they're a part of your fam, so they're going to want to rock the merch as well. Also, make sure that you have a URL up during your stream that says, hey, go check out my website here to get some exclusive merch. Another thing that helps create a buzz is by doing giveaways with your merch as well. Now, when it comes to streaming, a few things that you're gonna need, guys, is number one, stable internet. You're going to want to invest in upgrading your internet and making sure you have the best internet possible so that you don't start lagging like a noob. Yeah, I said noob. Now, there's 3 popular devices: PC, Xbox, and PlayStation. PlayStation and Xbox actually have the compatibility to actually stream within the actual device. The only thing that you're gonna need is you're gonna need a camera of some sort, whether it's a PlayStation cam or an external DSLR. That way you can actually add your video to the screen. If you watch Twitch streamers, you often see that there's a video of them, or you can actually see them as they're playing, and you're gonna need that camera to go ahead and portray that. Now, you can get these relatively cheap. You don't need to go out and buy a $1,000 camera. I recommend getting the PlayStation camera or a DSLR that costs under $300 just to get started. Now, when it comes to streaming softwares, one of the biggest that I've seen is OBS. Now, OBS is free to sign up and free to use, and there's tons of tutorials around the internet if you need to understand and learn how to use OBS. But this is a streaming software that's gonna connect your system to twitch.tv. Now guys, if you love videos like this and you haven't yet, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and make sure that you have notifications turned on, because we drop videos Monday through Friday every single day that are gonna help you increase your income, your impact, and your influence. Now, as promised, I'm gonna give you guys 5 tips to help you grow your channel and help the amount of revenue that you make as a streamer. Number 5 is you wanna make sure that you have an entertaining personality. How good you are at the individual video game that you're playing is not gonna determine how fast you grow and how much people love you. I see some huge streamers out there that aren't as good as Ninja or PewDiePie, and they have a ton of following and they're making a ton of cash. So you wanna make sure that you have an entertaining personality. Now, with that being said, you don't wanna try to be someone that you're not. You wanna make sure that you are being yourself, but you can always improve on different areas of talking, of making jokes, interacting, and engaging. These are all things that are going to help your audience grow and help them have a better time. The better time that they're having, the more they're enjoying your stream, the longer they're gonna stay, and the more money you're gonna make as a streamer. Number 4 is make sure that you stick to a schedule. Consistency is key when it comes to growing any type of audience. What's gonna happen is no matter how small your audience is, if you're posting Monday, Wednesday, Friday, if you're streaming on Friday, Saturdays, people are gonna be waiting for your stream to start. So I highly suggest that you set a schedule and that you stick to that schedule. Don't worry if there's only 10 people watching or 50 people watching or 100 people watching. Those are 10, 50, or 100 raving fans. And they're gonna be there every single time that you stream waiting for you. So don't let them down. I highly suggest that somewhere on your channel and on your social media, you start letting your audience know what days that you stream. That way they can go ahead and plan their schedule around showing up. Because typically streams go from anywhere between 1 hour all the way up to 3 hours. So you wanna make sure that your audience can plan for it. That way they can show up, they can grab some Gatorade or some Mountain Dew, grab some candy, some chips, food, whatever they need to do, and kick it with you while you stream. Number 3 is something I see a lot of streamers neglect. You wanna make sure that you engage and interact with your audience. When you're streaming, I know it's hard to engage and interact because you're so focused on getting that next kill or getting your kill streak, but you have to understand that there's a bunch of people who are live right now with you, and they would love your engagement. This is gonna help them stick, this is gonna help them stick around, and this is even going to help them become raving fans. Remember, if they're having a good time, they're gonna stick around, they're gonna wanna come back, they're gonna wanna tell their friends, and this is gonna be a key role to you growing your channel. Also, you have to understand, just because you're not Ninja or PewDiePie, someone who is watching you on the other side of that screen may look up to you. So simply by taking 1 second and saying, hey John, thank you for that $5 support, or thank you for that donation, or if somebody makes a comment or gives you some type of compliment, just take a minute out and say, Josh, I appreciate that compliment, thanks for watching. That could make their day, and in result could earn you a loyal follower. Number 2 is you wanna network with other streamers. Now, if you're starting out and you usually have 10 people on your stream, you're not gonna wanna go reach out to the big guys because you're probably not gonna get a response. But look at other streamers that play video games that you play, who have personalities similar to you, and reach out to them on social media and see if they wanna collaborate. I always talk about collaboration over competition, and this is a gem that people usually sleep on. This is a quick way to cross-pollinate and cross-promote each other, which is gonna help you grow your audience. And the number one way to grow your income and grow your stream as a video game player is to run giveaways. I cannot stress this enough. I run this in all my businesses, and I actually ran this to my Twitch channel, and this works like magic. You wanna make sure that you are running giveaways. Now, when you're starting out, you may not have endorsements or sponsorships, and you may not have gaming chairs and gaming headsets or keyboards or control freaks and stuff like that to give away, but you could possibly give away 2 or 3 shirts if you just started your merch line. It'll cost you $20 to $30, and it's going to create some buzz. So irregardless if you're just starting out or you're starting to gain some traction, you have some sponsors, you have some endorsements, make sure that you're running giveaways. This is gonna help you create a buzz. This is gonna help you create the amount of people who are watching your stream, subscribe to your YouTube channel, and following you across the board in social media. Now, if you want another ninja hack, make sure that you are actually working on growing your social media, not just your YouTube and your Twitch. I see so many streamers who have huge YouTube channels and huge Twitch channels, but they're not on social media anywhere. Make sure that you're using Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, and TikTok. Guys, these are all free to create accounts, and if you're starting out, it's best to start out across the board. You don't want Twitch and YouTube to be huge and nobody know you on Instagram. This is free traffic, free exposure, and this is definitely gonna help you grow your brand and gain traction in your business. There you guys have it, step by step, how you can earn money online by playing video games in 5 ninja hacks that's gonna help you increase your income, your impact, and your influence as you start your streaming career. If you love videos like this and you haven't yet, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and have notifications turned on. That way, Monday through Friday, you can get notified every single day when we release new content. If you want to connect with me on a day-to-day basis and ask me any questions, make sure that you're following me on Instagram at @OfficialJoshuaCrisp. If you love short format content and you're growing a business or you're a brand new entrepreneur, make sure that you're subscribed to my podcast, From Nothing to Something, which is available on all major platforms. Well, that's all, guys. I'll see you in the next one.